All right, we are going to talk about constant of proportionality. And when a graph is proportional, that means it goes through 0, which is the origin. So all of these graphs on this worksheet are proportional because they go through 0. And it's a straight line. So we're going to find the constant of proportionality for a couple of these graphs. And remember that the constant of proportionality is just when you have the x value of 1. That's the only thing we're looking for. So we're going to start off with some easy ones, and then we're going to kind of work on some other ones. So if we look at number 4 first, we want to find the constant of proportionality where x is 1. My constant of proportionality is this point right here on my graph because it's 6 and 1. So my constant of proportionality of this one is 6. If that's the only one that is very straightforward. Okay. Here we need to find the constant of proportionality. So I have 30 over 6, and we're going to set up our proportion. The 30 goes on top, the 6 goes on the bottom, and we want to find our denominator of 1. 6 times x is 6x equals 30 times 1 is 30. Divide by 6 and you have x equals 5. So the constant of proportionality for this one is 5. If we look at number 1, we have 9 and 3, so we have 9 over 3 equals something over 1. 9 times 1 is 9 equals 3 times x is 3x. Divide, and we have 3 is your constant of proportionality. Looking at the next one, we have 25 and 5, so we have 25 over 5 equals something over 1. 5 times x is 5x, and 25 times 1 is 25. Divide by 5, and your constant of proportionality for this one is also 5. So you're looking for having a value of 1 in your denominator. If we want to find the constant of proportionality for tables, it's kind of the same thing except just in table format instead. So let's zoom in a little bit so we can see. Let's start with this one. Sometimes you'll be given one, sometimes you won't. Okay. So you're just going to pick your first one, and we have 30 over 3 equals, oops, I'm sorry, I said that incorrectly. We have 3 over 30 equals something over 1. Thirty times x is 30. Nope, I set that up incorrectly. I had it right the first time. I apologize, guys. So we have 30 over 3 equals x over 1. 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times 1 is 30. We divide by 3, and you have x equals 10. Looking at so that goes with number 1. Looking at number 2, we have 15 and 5. So you're going to put the y on the top over 5. So 15 over 5 equals x over 1. 5 times x is 5x, and 15 times 1 is 15. Divide by 5, and you have x equals 3. What you're pretty much doing is dividing these two numbers. So 30 divided by 3 is 10. 15 divided by 5 is 3 to get your constant of proportionality. You just have to look at one of them and see and just divide them to find your unit rate or your constant of proportionality. Those are the same exact things, and that's how you find the constant of proportionality of your graphs and your tables.